Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can upgrade player, or you can say how you can upgrade player attributes and skills in Madden 27 Superstar mode. It's pretty easy guys. All I have to do, just open your Superstar mode, then go to skills tab and you should be able to see the option upgrade skills and abilities. Select that. Here you have several tabs. The first one is for core. Inside this, you'll be able to find power running. Here you can see trucking, stiff arm. Wherever you would like to progress, you can simply select that and basically progress if you have enough, you can say SP like this. And you can see we don't have enough SP, but if you have, you'll able to upgrade that right here, just like I did here on stiff arm. Then you can go for elusive running. Then you have receiving back. Similarly, you can go to physical tab. Here you have quickness, elusiveness, durability, and so on and so forth. So just choose the tab where you would like to progress and you'll able to do that if you have enough SP. Besides that, you also have the option level path. Like here you'll able to see on which level you are currently at, and that's all there is to it. This is exactly how you'll able to upgrade skills and attributes of your player in Superstar mode in Madden 27. Hope this video helped out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.